voice low.
Do I need to get deeper?
How deep do I need to go? What's up, man? Welcome to the Home Team Show. Before the show.
Before the show.
You know what I'm saying? I'm Home Team.
I'm TYP.
You know what I'm saying? We are the Home Team
show.
Right. He the best thing about the show. You know what I'm saying? So you get ready to check it out Tuesday night, 8 p.m. on Blog Talk Radio. You know what I'm saying? We got a great show for you tonight. Gonna keep you crunk, keep you live. We got good music from all over the world.
All over the world.
You know what I'm saying? So we here. You see TYP, he got his hat. He just decided to put that on. You know what I'm saying?
Look at it. Knock the dust off of him.
You know what I'm saying? Because he got that shot towel on him. You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, for real.
He put that hat on.
I put the hat on, bro. You gave it to me. It was sitting right there.
You got mad.
I didn't want a hat.
You got mad.
He gave me the dustiest hat in the spot. Right. So I put it on for y'all people. See, this how he designed me today. You got it.
Put them together. You know what I'm saying? It's just like a Big Brother's poster. I just put him together. You know what I'm saying? Anybody commit. You might have committed one today. You're going to hear about one somebody committed today. With my man Chill. Then we also got Nashville's own Rob D.
With Knowledge is King.
Knowledge is King with Rob D. He go around, he going to spit some jewels for you. So big shout out to my man Rob D. Then we also got the world famous Is It Tight. That's where artists submit their music. You know what I'm saying? To the Home Team Show at isittight@gmail.com. MP3 format. Help me help you. Don't send me the website. I appreciate it. I know SoundCloud. I know you on there. I can't play your music on SoundCloud.
No YouTube video.
I know something.
Sound good. They can't see the video.
I might check it out later, but they can't hear it on the radio. They can't see it on the radio.
Work with us.
They can't see it on the radio.
Then we also got TYP presents Damn Are You Funny? You know what I'm saying? That's why I've been looking on the internet for stand up or a prank call or anything. You know what I'm saying? That'll give you a chuckle for today.
A chuckle. So sit back, relax in a few minutes, man. We're going to be on the Home Team Show. 714-364-4357. That's the number. You hit that up. You can listen by phone or, give your comment, give your opinion on something. So check it out. Home Team Show on Blog Talk Radio. GG. See, I'm on that phone. That's 6. You know what I'm saying? I'm on that 6. I'm on that 6. Whole team. Yeah. For real.
Move for more, but we weren't making none. So here I am, let it be known. I ain't taking none. Here to come get what's mine. Here's the naked gun. Better accept the naked truth. Hit the deck and run. We here now. D County #1. Nothing down. Yeah. We coming for you, baby. What y'all want?